Hello viewers, we hope you are doing fine. So in this video we are going to introduce a very high quality EST safe magazine rack which can accommodate various sizes of PCBs. So you will get this box inside this packing. This PCB magazine rack, the model is IPMR 805 which is sold by India Enterprises. So you will get this magazine rack in this packing which you are viewing on your screen. So let's see what is inside this box. Let's open it. So these are the side plates, 4 rod and top and bottom plate. Few screws also you will get in this packing. So in the next step we will assemble this magazine rack so that it will be easy for you to straight away use it. Now we have taken out the side plate and other and top and bottom plates on the packing and the pillar rod as well. So now we will show you the procedure to assemble this magazine rack. See, first of all we need to keep the base plate and insert the 4 columns and fix the screws with the help of an Allen key. Similarly, other 3 pillar should be fixed to the base plate as well. We can see now we have fixed all 4 columns on the base plate and now we will insert the side plate before inserting the top plate. See, one side plate is fixed and other one is movable. First we will insert the fixed side plate and then screws will be fixed to the side plate. So this part of this side plate is fixed on the base plate and other side plate is movable. So now we can see that the fixed side plate is fixed on the base plate with the help of screws and Allen key. One more thing I want to add, that screws will be provided along with this magazine rack, so you need not to buy screws from other source. Then we will insert the movable side plate on the other side. See, it is movable with the help of this lever. So we need to match the grooves and we need to check before inserting the screw that this side plate is movable or not. See, now both the side plates has been inserted. Now we will fix the top plate. Now we are fixing the screws on the other side of the fixed plate. See, there are 6 screws on each side, or 6 screws on the top and 6 screws on the bottom side, which should be fixed properly to ensure the perfect assembly. And after fixing these screws, we will guide you to take the next step. Now the movable plates should be close to the fixed plate, and then these grooves should be matched with these slots so that the movable plate moves smoothly. So these 2 rivets should be matched to these slots, and then we can see that the movable plate is moving smoothly. Same thing should happen on the other side also. We can see that these 2 rivets are matched with the slots. So next is this stopper rod. You can see on your screen, this stopper rod is used to stopping the PCBs. So we can see how it is inserted. So whenever we insert the PCB, this stopper rod prevents the PCB from falling on the other side. So now we can see that this movable plate can be taken close to the other plate, so it can accommodate different sizes of PCB. These 4 levers which are provided on top and bottom side of this movable plate. So whenever you want to just fix these 4 clamps, you can see these 4 clamps. We can see that now this movable plate cannot be moved because it is fixed with the help of 4 clamps. So if you want to adjust the size further, then you can just unclamp these 4 levers, and then this movable side plate can be moved to accommodate other size of PCB. So it's very easy to adjust the width of this magazine rack. We will check its ESD property with the help of a surface stability meter. We have taken a LED type surface stability meter. We have kept it on the inner side of this fixed plate. We can see that the LED is green. It means it is within the conductive range. So that is perfect for ESD storing. And then we will check on the outer surface as well. You can again see that it is also conductive. So the ESD property of this magazine rack are perfect. So we highly recommend you to use this magazine rack, which you can accommodate with different sizes of PCBs. And you can see the logo also, that it is ESD safe, and few precautionary measures are also provided on this label. So model is IPMR 805, and we are selling it very competitive price. So you are welcome for any inquiry. You can contact us if you have such requirement. So hope you have liked this video and now everything is understood to you. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.